Hi, welcome to another video. This is what I got for the Christmas unboxing of the 2021 Christmas collection. So I'm just going to show you really quick. This is what I bought previously on last year's collection. It's a mini pochette, which was the pink. If you guys want to see the unboxing, I do have it on my channel. And then also last year I did get the passport cover. So this year I wanted something different. I was super excited to receive it. So I literally just opened the box. And look what it comes with. It comes with the shopping bag. I did order this online, but that's cool. It comes with the shopping bag. Of course, like always, the receipt and the gift receipt. So maybe because of being a Christmas gift, they're sending boxes maybe. So you can gift it. And this is the cute little box. So it comes with the little drawer box. This is so cute. And then it comes with the little card, like if you're going to gift it. So I'm actually going to move it. Let's see if I could open it like this without actually taking that, because it's so cute. Okay. All right. So let's open it up. So this one, if you guys can guess, comment down below what I got. But this is my very first of these. I don't have any. I know there's so many different prints of them, and this is my very first one. I'm super excited about it. I've never had one or owned one, so I'm excited to see what it looks like. I do actually have well, never mind, I'm not gonna tell you, but I do have the inserts to them if you have seen before, so I'm excited. This is my first ever look at it. I didn't see it in store. I actually bought it online. I talked to my SA and he's like, oh, we don't have any. They sold out right away. The Christmas collection pretty much sold out really quick. So I'm in love with this. I really like how it looks. I really like pink. So I really like the little Cadillac and, you know, the Hollywood design. It's really cute. This is the new Christmas one. Oh, I really like it. It's supposed to be pink inside. Last year, as you can see, this is like a light pink. Like a really light pink. And this year, this is supposed to be like a hot pink. Kind of like how that is. So as you can see, look at the detail. So beautiful. I'm in love. I'm just scared if this is gonna scrape. I'm not sure, but look at that detail. So pretty. Okay, so the inside is this hot pink, which I like. And then it comes with the 2 inserts. As you guys can see, these always come with 2 inserts and a chain. So this is just the little card. And then I really like this. So I haven't bought any now, but it comes with this. Looks different than my old ones that I have ordered, but okay. And then this is the outside, and then this cute little zipper. And the inside, it just says Louis Vuitton Paris, and it's just really cute. So you guys can see gold hardware. And then the other insert is just hot pink, same thing. Louis Vuitton Paris. I don't know if it can focus. Which is really slim. And then you can probably put like cashier. I do own these in the black leather. I bought them off a reseller, but now I have my own. And then the inside is the same. So this is just that. And then it says right there, I don't know if you guys can see, it says made in Spain. I don't know if you can kind of see. And the same thing. And then the chains in here to make it into a crossbody. Very nice interior. So it has a pocket. If you've never seen it, it has a pocket right there. And the material's kind of soft. It's not, I thought it would be the same like leather inside, but no, it's like a fabric. And then the chain, look, it has the little LV, and it's red. And then these come with microchip, so it doesn't have a date code. But yeah, this is the outside. And this is the back. So tell me what you guys think. I really, really like it. I think I did a good decision to get this one. I guess early Merry Christmas to me early. It was really hard to get, so I do recommend, if you guys really want one of these pieces, just be checking online. My essay said that there was none available in store, that they sold out really quick, that I couldn't pre-order it because they were sold out. I did stay up like I don't know how many nights trying to get it. At night I would just look on the website, and then I finally was able to see it, that it was available, and there was actually more available. So just be looking out. If there was you know, if this one was available, means they should be more available. This one was what I wanted. I also was interested in the little coin purses, but if you guys have seen my previous unboxings, I do already own 2 coin purses. So I was like, do I really want it? Do I really need it? So I ended up deciding to get this one since I don't have it. But comment down below what you guys think, and if there's any other item in this collection that you guys like. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, or it was helpful for one of you guys. If you guys